Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make diced onion curry. If you have no vegetables at home, you don't have any vegetables at home, make this diced onion curry. It is as good as any other recipe. It will be more yummy and delicious if you make this way. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To this we have to add half a teaspoonful of mustard seeds. Let them pop up. To this add a handful of fenugreek leaves, chopped fenugreek leaves. We have to fry the fenugreek leaves till they releases their aroma. Occasionally we have to stir them. To this we have to add half a teaspoonful of cumin seeds. Stir them well. Keep the flame in medium. The mustard seeds are spluttering and the aroma of the fenugreek leaves is also coming out. At this stage we have to add the diced onions to this. Add 1/4 teaspoonful of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoonful of salt to this. Mix all of them well. See, our fenugreek leaves are roasted very well. At this time only we have to add the diced onions. Now keep the flame in low. Close the lid of the pan and cook for 10 minutes. And occasionally we have to mix them upside down so that our onions may not stick to the bottom of the pan. Occasionally we have to mix the onions like this. This recipe proves to be very yummy and delicious, but make sure that we have to keep the flame in low from the beginning to the end of the recipe. Stir them again. See, our onions are soft and tender, looking soft and tender. Now to this we have to add 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder. Mix them well. By closing the lid of the pan, cook for 1 more minute. After 1 minute, we have to add 2 to 3 teaspoonful of red chilli powder, or as per your taste. You can add more or less. We eat more spicy food. Eating spicy food has more benefits. Spicy food, the red chilli powder reduces the cholesterol levels and reduces the clots in our blood vessels. Close the lid of the pan and cook for 2 more minutes by keeping the flame in low. We have to cook the onions after adding the red chilli powder so that the rawness of the red chilli powder goes off. After 1 minute we have to mix the onions, otherwise the onions may stick to the bottom of the pan. To this we have to add the chopped coriander leaves. A handful of chopped coriander leaves I am adding to this recipe. Please don't forget to add the coriander leaves at the end of your recipes. That is spice while you are making the spicy foods. Mix them all like this. Now turn off the flame. Now our yummy delicious onion recipe is ready to eat and serve. Whenever you don't have any vegetables at home, please make this recipe. It is very yummy and delicious. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. See, all of our onions are looking soft and tender. We have to cook the entire recipe in a low flame. Serve this onion curry along with rice or rotis.